It is back to school time, and guess what? The same fights are happening over and over again, and it's reciprocal. I remember when my kids were younger, they're way over 30 now, and I was buying book bags for them, and they were so cute, little princesses, maybe Minnie Mouse on them, and they probably was about, I don't know, maybe $15, 15 to $20. As they moved up into middle school and high school, that changed. They didn't want plain book bags. They didn't just want a color. They wanted Jansport. Jansport book bags that they wanted were like $40 to $50. That was double the amount of what I was paying for their backpacks back when they were in lower grades. So it is reciprocal. So now, parents, you're dealing with the same thing now, but this time we have Sprayground book bags. So in this video, we're going to take a look at Spraygrounds and look at some costs and look at some items and why is it that our kids really love these bags. All right, stay tuned as we get into it. The back to school edition backpacks. So before we get into this juicy content here, I want to welcome you to my channel. Those of you who are subscribers, welcome to those who are new. I hope you join me for any future videos that we have. We're going to have fun today. Well, let's just jump into it. So I want to start off with, before we get into the spray grounds and some of those amazing backpacks that they have out there, is let's talk a little bit about today with the other standard book bags. And we're going to use the brand of Jansport. There are many others, but since we started talking about Jansport in the intro, I'll continue to go there. So I did some quick research, went on the Jansport site, and here are three bags that they have out there now, backpacks. One is the $55. This is called the Big Student Iconic Style book bag. Really cute, like that. But it is $55. It's not 20. And it's a nice size. It's 17 by 13 by 7.5. So it's large enough to carry a laptop. It does have side pockets for water bottles and organizer pockets within the bag. And with all JanSports, they have the patch on the outside of the bag. So this one definitely has that. There is also, look at this one. This is the Cool Student. This one is, it runs about $60 and it's a 17 by 12 by 8. Also a nice size for this one. It does have the leather base and trim on the Cool Student and it runs for $60. They have others, but in this same category, because some of them are, I would say, more for avid campers because they're really, really large. But this one is a right pack premium backpack. It is up there. It's in the spray ground price range of $90. This one, the size of it is 17.5, 12.5, and 5.5. So it's in that same price range. Very, very good reviews on this one. There are some additional reviews out there where there are claims of the straps breaking on that particular version of the bag. So with that being said, let's get into it with the spray grounds. So the spray ground brand, they don't only carry backpacks. So let's just start there. It's suitcases, accessories, and definitely they have a wide range of backpacks. They have built their brand on durability and individuality. I will also say to you that if your kid and if you have agreed to purchase a spray ground for your child or whomever you're purchasing that for or yourself, do know that you need to pull the trigger pretty quickly because they only make a certain amount per design. And if you don't get it at that time, you will see that it's gone and they do not reproduce them. Don't be alarmed when you go to the sprayground.com website that you will see many of their bags or many of their items that will say out of stock forever. That it's not coming back. So if someone gets that line, it's not coming back. They'll have to get it on the resale market, but it will not be available again on Sprayground. So that's the exclusivity with that brand. So there are three reasons why you should consider purchasing the spray ground backpack, and one of those would include features. This bag is not short of features. It has the authentic hang tag for spray ground on every bag. It includes gold plating accents on all of the bags. There is what I call wraparound branding. So, whatever the branding is or the design is on the front of the bag, they brought it around to the back of the bag as well. Exquisite. It looks very, very great. The designs are unique. There are just like standard book bags, they have compartments, but the inside of this bag, they thought about the inside. The design on the inside has the embossed branding for spray ground all throughout. Many of them have this bright, beautiful red interior for the bag. So when you open it up, you see all of that red in the inside, which looks beautiful. There are side pockets. It fits laptops. So it's functional. It's not just stylish, but it's functional. So getting this will put you at ease because it's able to carry the things that you want your child to carry. So they're prepared for school and your child feels stylish. So that's number one. So let's get to number two. Yes, the durability. The second reason why you should consider purchasing the spray ground backpack for your child is that they will have it for years to come. These bags are made to last. The designs are timeless designs. Many of the collaborations that they have are, like I said, some are Looney Tunes, some are action figures. I can't think of all of them that come to my head, but there are a lot of them that's been around for years. Bugs Bunny. Let me tell you a story. When I first started putting this video together, I wanted to show you the Bugs Bunny backpack, and I probably will still show it, but it was available. And by the time I was ready to record this video, it was gone. And I love that Bugs Bunny. It reminds me of my childhood. So it's still selling out. So durability, it'll be around, and those designs are timeless. Second reason why you would want to consider the spray ground. The final reason, and maybe one of the most important reasons that you should consider purchasing this spray ground backpack, resale. Remember, we talked about how these bags sell out really quickly and they only make a certain amount. That makes these bags limited editions. We're going to give you an example here. Look at this midnight version that is sold out on Sprayground. Look at the cost. The cost is $90. And now let's go to a reputable reseller, which is Stock X, and find this same bag. This same bag, used now, is selling for over twice as much as it was at retail new. So the third and final reason is you have an item that you can possibly resell for what you pay for it or more. If you go out to StockX yourself and just type in spray ground backpacks, you'll see the cost of them. Some of them just start out asking price over $150, which means that it's going to go up. It's going to go up because they have a bidding war on them. So you decided to go to the Spray Ground website and you're going to purchase a backpack. Head over to sprayground.com, click on just backpacks so you can get directly to the backpacks. I'm going to share with you 10 of those that I found very interesting. Starting out with one of my favorites. And this is not a full size backpack. This actually is a key charm, backpack key charm. It is $25. It's in the traditional print, their signature print, which is the shark mouth. And it is super cute. It still has the gold plate on it and the zipper, so you can carry some little items in that little bag. So it is so cute. The second one is the Looney Tunes. This is the Looney Tunes in green with the green background. This is the chiller. It comes in at $80, still available on the website. At number 3 on my list is the Sawtooth Shark Skin. This is the Paris, and this is the one you probably see most often. It is, $90. This particular size is a collection, so that this design is a collection, I'm sorry. This one is $90, and I believe it's 2 others that are, larger than this particular size that you have an option of selecting. Number 4 on my list is similar to the, Sawtooth. It is the Knit Commander, and this one is in the, embroiled knit. So the shark mouth is in a knit fabric. Number 5 on my list is the Back to the Future. It is $65. And number 6 on my list is really, really cute. This is the ice cream truck. It is listed at $65 and still available. Number 7 on my list is the Angry Birds, and it comes in at $65. Number 8, there is a row of 3 of these. All of them are available, and these are probably the most traditional ones that I've seen on the website. They range from 70 to $100. That takes us to number 9, which is the Nassau collaboration, and that one comes in at $70. And if you really feeling like you love these spray grounds and you have the funds and you want to do this, this is a specialty item, the Diable, and this is at $500. So you can get this. It has all the different faces, and this backpack just shows I don't know how I'm feeling today. So I just all have all the faces on it. And these faces are on the front of the bag, the size of the bag, the back of the bag is really, really cute. $500 for that. So that is my list of 10 bags. There are several more out there. So take a look at my video, see if there are some things that made you, I hope I was able to give you some information that helped. Stay tuned for our next series. We will go through some clear backpacks because we do know some school systems, they do not allow kids to carry bags unless they are clear. And we have some options for you. So join us for our next series. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. If you are, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart for returning and watching this video as well. We have more to come. This is Mrs. DLC, and I am signing off today. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like on this video, comment on this video. Subscribe to my Nana's channel. Don't forget.